Ako po si Julie Pangandayaday. Ako po ang department head ng CSWDO, the welfare arm of the City Government of Davao. I listened to the XFE since high school sa program ni Ate Jean Balaga, yung Turning Point, yung mga sharing niya sa Word of God and encouragement niya doon. Nakakatulong sa akin as a young person pa at that time. From then on, nakikinig na ako ng DXFE and then Moments of Grace with Pastor Arnel and then now with Maggie and then yung Oras na Pilipinas. Even sa office, nasa background talaga si DXFE. Now we partner with DXFE. Nag-evolve na ang DXFE ngayon. They are working on the ground na. Hindi lang yung sa radyo. Maganda yun kasi kami nasa ground. We need to partner with DXFE kasi medyo malayo na ding napupuntahan ng DXFE in partnership with our 27th Action Battalion teams. The first na nagkaroon kami ng partnership yung Crisis Intervention Center, Balay Dangupan for our abused girls. And then dun sa Children's Village of Davao City, Bahay Pag-asa for our children in conflict with the law. Nandito man si DXFE kasi ito yung barangay nila na flooding area. Ito nagiging place na din namin ng mobile kitchen in the event na may disaster tayo. We partner with DXFE every Thursday. Yung programs and services ni CSWDO, we share this to the people para wide yung reach. Lumalapad na. Alam mo, hindi ko alam na may mga personnel ng CSWDO ay nakikinig ng Moments of Grace. Even sa city government, marami nang nakikinig ng DXFE. DXFE is really my prayer partner. Lalo na nung dumaan ako sa journey ko as cancer patient, si DXFE nandun. Na-diagnose ako last year, 2024. Isa sa mga tao na sabihan ko talaga is ang mga tao ng DXFE. Alam kong hindi nila ipagsasabi. Yung staff, sila nagpapatawa sa akin. Kung may mga craving ako, sila magluluto for me. Dito ako magla-lunch and then they pray for me. Yung time na gusto mo lang may kausap, ito yung isang place na haven ko. Far East Broadcasting Company, DXFE, is really close to my heart. I really supported the DXFE because ito yung ministry na hindi mawawala. Continue to do the work of the Lord no matter what. Patuloy lang po tayo because CSWDO, DXFE, we really need each other to reach the people for the Lord.